In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to reach TradingView from a simple Google search and add Bitcoin to your watch list so you can keep an eye on it anytime. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and press Enter. Look for the official result that points to tradingview.com, then click it. This route is quick and helps you avoid mistyping the address. When the site loads, you'll be on a powerful platform for charting and market tracking, covering everything from stocks and crypto to forex and indices. Next, find the watch list. On desktop, it's typically a panel on the right side of the screen. If it's minimized, click to expand it. On smaller screens, you may see watch list accessible through a menu icon. The watch list is your personal dashboard of symbols. It shows real-time prices, percentage changes, and lets you jump straight to charts. Think of it as your shortcut to the assets you care about most. Inside that watch list panel, look for the plus icon. This is the Add or Import button. Click it to open the symbol search. You can add individual instruments or, if you already have a list somewhere else, import multiple symbols. For this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and add a single asset. In the search field that appears, type BTC. BTC is the widely used ticker for Bitcoin. As you type, TradingView displays matches across different categories. For this example, focus on the crypto results. It's normal to see several entries that look similar. Each usually corresponds to a different exchange or data source. If you need to narrow the list, you can filter by the crypto category in the search panel. From the results, select Bitcoin, US dollar. You might also see it labeled as BTC/USD. This pair represents the price of Bitcoin measured in US dollars, which is a clear way to track it. Clicking it adds the symbol to your watch list. You should now see BTC/USD listed with its current price and daily change. If you click the symbol in your watch list, it opens the full chart so you can explore timeframes, indicators, or set alerts later on. For now, the important part is that Bitcoin is saved to your watch list and ready to monitor. That's all there is to it. You used Google to reach TradingView, opened the watch list, clicked the plus button, typed BTC, and selected Bitcoin against the US dollar. Repeat the same process for any other symbols you want to track.